All right, we should be live right now. Um, Testing out some new software to see how we look with this. See how we look with it. All right, see how we look with it. I don't see the live on it yet. Let's see. All right, so we are live. Okay, so I want to test some things out. Let me see. So we got the live button up there. So maybe we need to bring this live down. Let's see. Let's bring this down some to probably about right here. Let's see what that looks like. Give it a minute to catch up. Yeah, but since we got the Facebook Live over there, I don't know if I want this. Let's move it over here. See how it looks over here. All right, so let's work on something else too. Let's see. So as I'm talking to you guys live, I'm going to play around with some other things. Let me see. I had some other build it out here. Let's see. So let's create. Let's see how we. All right, let's see. All right, I like that, man. I like the way that's looking. So we have the avatar pop here. All right. All right, so it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let me see. So how is our lighting looking like? Let's see. Doo-doo-doo. See what else we can do. All right, so we have that there. Let me see. Let me play with this version here. So let's go. Let's go from here to. Let's go to ESPN.com. All right. All right, so what I'm doing now is just testing out screen sharing and stuff like that. So let's see. So let's go here. All right, let's see what they're talking about. Because you know they're talking about Shador, man. Let's go see what they're saying about my guy. And if you guys don't know, man,
This is Jess.
Friday, Shador is going to be starting for the Cleveland Browns. All right. All right, let's look at the Browns depth chart. They still got my man Shador down. Yeah, still got him down in fourth, man. That's crazy. Still got him down at fourth. Um, wow. And you guys know that there's a huge controversy around Shador. All right, the whole draft thing. What where he's at in the depth chart. They also been talking about how the man hasn't been getting access to his fair share of training and time with the first string O line, second string O line, whatever. All right, yeah, a lot of controversy around it, man. All right, but here's where you can see this. Let's click on this. So he's going to be starting against the Carolina Panthers. Um, you have Dylan Gabriel, Tyra Huntley, Kenny Pickett, Deshaun Watson. Man, they have one, two, three, four, five. They have six quarterbacks now, man, which is crazy. All right, let's see. Uh, see what they're saying here. And you know what, guys? You know, yeah, it's next man up, and we're not in competition. All right. Um, yeah, it's crazy, man. This is crazy. But I don't know, man. What do you guys think? You guys think Shador gonna show up and show out, man? You think he gonna show up and show out? Um, think he gonna show up and show out? All right. So let's see. Let's see what else going on. Seahawks, Smith, Niger. Uh, I'm testing out new software, so we're just trying to see some things here. It's gonna be interesting, man. I think it's gonna be an interesting, yeah, year in sports, man. You got Jimmy Horn Jr. Out there. You have Shador Sanders. You have Travis Hunter. Everybody out there doing their thing. Shiloh is out there doing his thing. Um, yeah, all from Colorado, man. Yeah, and guys, you know, it's football, man. I used to follow when I was younger, and I got away from sports big time, man. But I think that I'm going to start back plugging in, man, and just start all from the ground, man. Don't be embarrassed about it, but just start back learning everything I can learn around it, around sports. Period, man. I don't even watch sports that much anymore, but now that I'm free, man, from a job, I find myself wanting to watch things a little bit more, and we're gonna see, man. But yeah, all right. So this looks good here. Let's try to go to this other shot. Let's go with this one here. Let's see how we look on this one here. Yeah, I like that. But I'm wondering on something like this, should I rock the red ring? Let's see. And we can make it smaller. We can make it bigger. Okay, we keep it like that there. Then people can always eye it. All right. So that's that there. Um, I haven't checked. I use Ecamm Live. I haven't checked to see if they've came out with anything new with this. Let's go here and look. I gotta see, one of the things I need to work on, man, is I need to work on getting a lot better with everything I'm doing, with the tools that I'm using. Like there are so many things that you can do with this software. And guys, I'm gonna give you a little I'm gonna give you a little advice. If you ever want to learn how to master a piece of software, like right now, I'm getting ready to start doing a lot of live streaming with Avatar Pop. Because I want to talk about sports, entertainment, lifestyle. Because these are things that I'm familiar with, man. Because I used to have a entertainment publication back in the day that I was doing, but I want to take everything that I've been working on with business and tech and stuff like that, and just ball it all into this show. But then also use this as a platform to be able to sell my avatars and my branding packages for content creators. But one of the things I was thinking was I was telling my wife about this a while back. When you are when you're messing with this technology like we're doing, like I do a lot with AI and just different tech stacks and stuff like that, you got to stay, man. You got to stay on top of it, man. You got to constantly be trying to learn. And one of the best ways to do that is to go to the resource that you're like. In this case, I use Ecamm Live for a lot of my broadcasting. If you go here, they have a lot of training and things like that that you can read over and look at. And then a lot of times, like I'll hit their blogs, because on their blogs, that's where they'll put like a lot of their training content. Like they have a newsletter here sign up for their newsletter. I think I'm already signed up for it, but yep. So you just come right to their software, man, and learn. But another good way of learning is to just get in there and start playing with it, man. Doing different things with it. Yeah, but like right now, I use Ecamm Live for all my recordings. I use CapCut for my editing. I use Canva for my graphics, and just really getting in here, man, and messing with this. You will learn. You will learn on how to do. So Printopia, movie tools, eyeglasses. All right. So that's that there. And this is the editing software that I use here, which I need to up my game on this too. I use CapCut. Try to go to CapCut. We don't want the sponsor link. We want just a regular link here. And if you guys are not using this and you're in the content, man, you better get on top of this, man. You guys better get on top of this. All right, let's go to CapCut. See if we can pull it up. I don't know why it's not pulling up. Give it a minute. All right, there we go. All right, it's coming through now. All right, so they did a new design. All right, this wasn't how it was looking the other day. All right, so that's what they did. They didn't change this all around. All right, all right, they didn't change this all around, which I can't say I don't like. It's not bad. All right, so this is CapCut now, huh? Uh-uh. Okay, I see what you're doing, CapCut. I see what you're doing. Let's see what this AI asset hub is with CapCut. Okay, that's pretty cool. They've integrated something like 11 labs into what they're doing. Right. AI tools, AI captions, text to speech, voice change along, video to shorts. All right, this is not bad. I'm going to get in here and play with this, man. What I don't see is my old content because I just shot some content. Let's see. Where would I find? All right, one click launch on desktop, download for desktop. Oh, so this is, well, that CapCut on the desktop. That's why it looks like that. Okay, I get it. All right, this is the website itself. All right, but I have the desktop version of it here. All right, so manage spaces, building trust center. And guys, remember what I was telling you guys. One of the ways that you learn and start mastering the tools that you use is to get in and use the tools. So that's going to be one thing that I'm going to be focusing on this winter, man. Is just really getting in, because a lot of these tools have trainings. You just have to go to their websites to access it. So, like, this is the desktop version of CapCut right here that I'm looking at. All right. So I see here now you can record the screen with CapCut. You can create an AI fashion model. All right. With CapCut now. Let me see if I click out of here what that does. All right. AI dialogue scene. Make the character in your photo talk, sing, or react for multiple characters. You can pick who talks. All right. So they have it built right in there. Let's see what else we got. Video translator. Also, okay, so it would translate a video. Okay, gotcha. Long video to shorts. I have tried this before. It works pretty good. It's a clipping service where it goes in and clip. Now, you guys want to talk about making some money, man? Do you know that some creators pay thousands a month to clippers to clip their videos? All right, so script to videos. All right, what is this? So, all right, we'll have to get in here and play with this and see what this is. But you guys want to know? You want to know? You want to know some hustle, guys? Let me show you guys some hustle, man. And I want you guys to listen to what I'm telling you. One of the easiest ways to hustle with software is I'm gonna give you a couple of ways of doing it, and you can do it with CapCut. You could do it with what you're doing. Is to go in, learn the software, learn how to do the thing with the software. So, like if you're wanting to learn video editing, you go in there and you study CapCut. All right, you learn that software. Then you create content around whatever you're creating content around, and then you sell a service that allows for you to be able to take that software and use it as a service. So if you're shooting content for yourself and editing it with CapCut, then you can do the same thing for clients. All right, you can you can take and shoot content for them and then edit with CapCut and charge them a fee. Um, so think about it. So like I'm using Ecamm Live. You can build a business around learning how to use Ecamm Live and creating content, and then turn around and offering your service, coaching or consulting to other brands, content creators, or businesses that want to use Ecamm Live. And you can do the same thing with Canva. But now, like with Canva, you can go in there, you can do the same thing, or you can also sell templates to other people that are using it. All right. So in a digital space, man, you have to understand that it's all about hustle, man. It's all about hustle. How big is your hustle? Your hustle game got to be strong. All right. Your hustle game got to be strong. All right. But that's one of the things I'm gonna be doing this winter, man. Is getting in here and just really learning. I got so much software that I'm using, but getting in here and really learning how to use a lot of this software. All right, so let's come back out of there. Okay, so let's see. I like discovering things. Let's see what we got here. This is the cat cub. Um, all right, so they have a brainstorm. Let's say brainstorm CapCut. So brainstorm. Welcome to AI Video Management. Custom voice feature allows you to create a customized. Okay. All right, so you can see it's welcome to brainstorm with AI. Okay, so we have to use Chrome for that. This is how you can create ads. Look like here. We type your text. Type your text. All right, select a voice. All right, and they'll create your commercial for you. Huh? Pretty cool. And you can do it for TikTok also. So AI tools, text to speech, voice changer, marketing, video agent. Is that what I was just into? Let's see. 10 videos been created for you. So that okay. So you can create marketing videos. Video ads will properly enter TikTok or Shopify link to the product. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I have to play with that and see what you do with that. Resize video. Let's see. Click to upload browser. Now, here we're gonna use Chrome. We're gonna use Chrome. Stop crying about it. Let's see. Text to image. All right, so text to image. Let's see. All right, so avatars. All right, so looking good, looking good. All right, so seeing that. That's pretty cool. CapCut has it going on. All right, let's get some streaming. Let's see. So, what am I looking for? What was it called? Man, there used to be this website out here that everybody was doing. It was called. Let's do this right. Let's look at tech news. Wired. Okay, I think Wired was one of them. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's do this right here. Let's say where can we keep up with AI news? Let's see. Oh, I have something called AI news. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Sinuses, man. I don't know what my stream got. Excuse me. Oh, sinuses, man. Sinuses this morning. Sinuses. All right, so we're looking at VO3. So one of the things I do, guys, is I just jump on here, man. I kind of try to just stay updated on everything, man. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. So what I'm gonna do is get off this. So you guys can't see my screen right now, which is good. Let me go into Google. We're gonna log into Google, and we're gonna go to Google Labs. And we're gonna go in and access. All right, go in and access Flow. All right, so that was What's that? What? I didn't make that. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I didn't make that. Let me see. I never saw that. Let's see. So I saw that version there. Yeah, I never seen that version there. That's pretty cool. So oh, yeah, I never seen that version. That's crazy. All right, so I make that adjustment with that. Let's see, maybe I missed something else. Let's see. So this version here. This one wasn't consistent character. All right, I get it. Let's see. So what do we want to create? So we're going to start with this. Hold on one second, guys. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Upload one of our images. All right, let's see. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. So let's share this with you guys. Let's see. All right. What's up, famo? How you guys doing? So we don't crop and save. Let's see. Let's say couple. Just walking down the street, laughing and talking. Let's see what we get out of this. Let that go, let that go. Let that cook. So let's get out of here, out of here, out of here, out of here. Let's get out of here, out of here. All right, since there. Let's get out of here. experiments. Moving archives, explore archive photo from the heart of those manipulation brought to life with the help of VR. Experiment from Google Labs lets you try on a look and explore your personal style. I don't know what that is. Project Marine. Cut my hair. Cut my hair. Let's see what we got.
This is the best Christmas ever!
I know, I love walking around with all the lights.
This is the best Christmas.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
No, this one's perfect. I love it.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
No, this one's perfect. I love it.
All right, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
No, this one's perfect. I love it.
All right, so that's pretty cool, man. I just created that. That's pretty cool. Pretty impressed with that. Let me see. Let's see. So how to add a script to Google.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
No, this one's perfect. I love it.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
No, this one's perfect. I love it.
All right, guys. So what I'm doing is still playing around with this. Dang, I'm still playing around with this. What I'm doing right now is I'm working on. I'm inside of Google VO3 and working on creating a video with it. And we're trying to see what it's going to look like live streaming on Facebook, man. Let's see what it does. See what it does. Live streaming on YouTube also. Let's see what it looks like. You can even tell that I'm live. Okay. So I'm live over there. So you can even tell that I'm live. Okay. So I'm live over there. So you can even tell that I'm live. Okay. All right. Okay. So, a little bit too stiff there. Let's see. All right, all right, all right. Let's see where we at. Testing out new streaming software. Let's see. So we're good on here. YouTube. Slam live. All right, so it's let's see. All right, so let's see what we got here. It's a little fun there.
What are you in the mood for? Huh. What are you in the mood for? Huh.
So you're saying I should have bought the other one?
What are you in the mood for? Huh. What are you in the mood for?
So let's do this right here. All right, so let's go with scene builder. Let's see. So let's see. Let me see. So let's go. See what we got here. Let's see. Add that to the scene. All right, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna add this to the scene.
So you're saying I...
What am I missing? What am I missing? Yeah. So we did that there. See, so we got this one. Let's see. Hmm. Let's see this. Oh, come on, come on. What you doing? What you doing? Edit project. Go back to flows. Yeah. Add to scene. Alrighty, alrighty. Where we at? Where everything is? Add another. Jobs to. All right, all right. Let's come off this live. Let's